Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. This soup clears heat, detoxifies, eliminating phlegm and relieving summer heat. Ingredients are winter melon, barley, carrot, and chicken. Wash barley, drain, and set aside. Sliced winter melon, optional to remove seeds. Cubes carrot. Pour in all ingredients into Instant Pot. Cover lid and select Soup button boil for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, ingers are softened. Season at taste. Look at the barley, yummy! This soup tastes good. Give it a try. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Soup is done. This soup is refreshing.